Welcome to Pyrotek, Tulsa, Oklahoma, USA. We wanted to make this video because we wanted to take you inside our facility here. You can see the different workstations, and you can see our commitment to being responsive to customers and making a great product. What we do here is we make parts for IS machines, which are used in container plants in the glass industry. We want you to know that we make parts for a high-tech, high-demand industry that has very high standards. They're making elegant, beautiful products, and we want to support that with the things that we make, whether it's a large piece of capital equipment or it's a smaller link and pin that might sit somewhere into a machine or a hanger or any sort of insert that's handling bottles. Because we know how dedicated our customers are, we wanted to show you how dedicated we are